All right, it's time for another episode of Your Daily Scrum with professional Scrum trainers Todd Miller and Ryan Ripley. We get together each and every day to help you get better at Scrum each and every day. Like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Check out the description to learn more about Todd and I in our book. It's like right there. Did I get it right? There's our book. Fixing Your Scrum. Also learn about the classes we teach and all of that fun stuff. Get set up on the newsletter. You don't want to miss the new things coming. We've got some new stuff coming out next week we're super excited about, but we can't tell you yet.
Can't tell you yet.
So stick around.
Somewhere around noon 30 Eastern time.
Next Monday will be awesome. All right. So until then, though, Todd, we've got some things to talk about. We've got a topic for today. A question came in the comments.
Yeah.
And so for those of you saying, hey, when are you going to get back to doing videos about comments? Here it is. Who does resource management in Scrum?
Interesting question, Ryan, because what is a resource? Are we digging holes and mining people out of them?
I don't think so. It's not the Matrix. We're not batteries, are we?
No. Yeah. Can we just say people management? Let's just is that cool? Okay. Yeah. Is that okay to change that?
Manages people in Scrum.
Yeah. We're changing that word. You should change it too. I know some people don't care about the little things, but I do. They're people. They're not resources.
I think it's important, right? A resource is depletable. It's mineable. It's easily replaceable. You know, you could just buy another barrel of oil, or you just dig up some more gold, people are not that. People are unique. They are all valued, all dignified. It's not a negotiable with us. This is just people are people, resources are not. And so let's go there. Who manages people in Scrum?
Now I feel better. Now we can answer it.
I think now we can talk about it.
You know, this might be an epiphany that I just had. Who manages people in Scrum? Can I say who doesn't manage people in Scrum? Is that okay, Ryan?
Yeah.
Anyone on the Scrum team doesn't manage people in Scrum.
Perfect.
A product owner, a Scrum Master, nor a developer should manage the people within that Scrum team.
Agreed.
None of them should.
I would agree. Now, can a Scrum team decide their own composition, which would be kind of placing people?
Yeah.
Can a Scrum Master help with the effectiveness of a team by working through process with them?
Yeah.
Can a product owner express preferences and quality and ideas around there that would encourage other people to do things, but in a collaborative way?
Yes.
Do you see the nuance here? No one is telling anyone what to do.
Yeah.
This is a collaborative activity. Something else, though, Todd, we should be super clear about. In the book that is sitting right, I'll get this like the weather person someday, right there. We do have a management chapter. And I think it's important to realize there are management aspects around a Scrum team. There are still managers that perform HR responsibilities and accountabilities for the people on the Scrum team. So we're never ever saying that management is not needed in Scrum. Mm-hmm. Management is still there. There are still managers, directors, VPs, C-suite. They're all awesome. They all do great things. But as far as on the Scrum team, I can't think of a time when people are directly saying, thou shalt do this.
Yeah. You know, and that's an interesting thing. It's a bit of a shift, right? It's a bit of a shift from managing things to enabling things, yep. Right? A good Agile manager is an enabler of agility, right? An enabler of people, not a manager per se. So I think it's a shift, right? I think if we would take that term manager and call it an enabler, that's what we're looking for in to become a more agile organization.
Yeah, so I think it's a great question. And when it comes to, I think part of this question was around, well, who makes sure everybody's busy and what about capacity? Well, developers decide what's in the sprint backlog, and the sprint backlog is really what they're working on and how busy they are. So I would say the developers in collaboration with product owner. Mm-hmm. Sorry, we're not directing. There's no positional authority. It's a collaborative effort, which is why Scrum can sometimes be really, really hard.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right. Hey, Todd, we love getting questions, don't we?
We do. Yeah. Thank you for the question. That question came from Investing World. Thank
Yeah.
you, Investing World.
Thank you for that. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next time we answer a question from the comments. Check out the socials. We're pretty big on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Check out the videos popping up. Hey, Todd, I heard that someone bought a Burn the Burn Down chart hoodie the other day. Checked it out. Those are going quick. Like those are pretty popular. Click that link. Check out the other hoodies and t-shirts, cups and mugs, and all sorts of fun stuff there. Our 2 free courses have popped up as well. The Scrum Framework course and the Evidence-Based Management course. Go ahead and check those classes out. Watch the playlist. Go over to scrum.org, get your certification, and take over the world. For Todd, I'm Ryan. Go forward and do some great Scrum things. People are not resources. Resources are not people. We'll see you tomorrow.